Cube roots of unity represent vertices of equilateral triangle on the argand plane. So what is cube root of unity? 1 to the power 1 by 3 or cube root of 1, that is equal to 1 omega square. So in argand plane, suppose this is a real axis and this vertical axis is imaginary axis. Now where this one will be stand? One point is this. This point is suppose 1 means that is 1 comma 0, and this point is what? Suppose B, and this is minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2, and this point will be C, that is minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, so now this is origin, so that is 0 0. So now find, to prove that the triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. So that means OA, slope of OA is equal to what? OA 0 by 0 divided by 1 minus 0. 0 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0, that is 0. And slope of similarly OB slope is root 3 by 2, means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 2 to cancel, so minus root 3, and slope of OC, that is minus root 3 by 2 minus 0, minus root 3 by 2 minus 0 divided by minus 1 by 2 minus 2, that is root 3. Okay, these slopes we have found already. So OA slope is what? 0. And OB is minus root 3. And OC is plus 1. Okay. Then we want to prove, in order to prove equilateral triangle ABC equilateral triangle, what we'll do? First, we want to prove what this angle value. So OA and OB, angle between OA and OB, angle between OA and OB is theta. So tan theta equal to what? M1 minus M2. Okay, minus root 3 minus OA slope is what? 0. Let us take it M1 and this is M2. This is M1 and that is M2. No problem. Divided by 1 plus M1 into M2 minus root 3 into 0. The value is minus root 3 and tan theta equal to minus root 3. That means theta equal to 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. This angle must be obtuse angle. Okay. This angle must be obtuse angle. It is 120 degree. Similarly, you can find out the value. This also 120 degree and this also 120 degree. Now, the angle in this circle. Okay. Suppose this triangle is inside the circle and circle is circumscribing circle. Now, angle BOC is 120 degree. So this angle must be its half, that is 60 degree. Similarly, all angles you can find out. This is also 60 degree and this angle also 60 degree. So ABC forms an equilateral triangle. So one more angle OB and OC. We can find out the angle between OB and OC also, OB and OC. Okay. So now just find out this also. This is minus root 3 and root 3. So let the angle be alpha. So tan alpha is what? Minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 into minus root 3. That is minus 3. Equal to what? Minus 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. Minus 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. Put together, minus together. So root 3. So root 3 means tan 60 degrees. So this angle cannot be 60 degree. Okay. So actually rule is modulus plus minus. So acute angle, obtuse angle, both angle can you find out, but here we want obtuse angle. So it is tan alpha equal to minus root 3 and tan 120 degree. So this angle also 120 degree, and all the three angles addition here is 360 degree. This angle 120, this angle 120, this angle must be 120, and the circular angle, the angle on circumference, it is what? It is also 120 degree. This angle also, so this angle 60 degree. Okay, so that's all. So a triangle from 1 and this angle omega and this vertex omega square make to form a equilateral triangle. Okay, that's all. Thank you.